Never skip an Hermes boutique. Never skip an Hermes boutique. We got another Hermes Kelly unboxing that I got with the help of one of my followers. Thank you. Plus, online orders, you guys. And some very difficult, impossible to get little accessories. Also really hard to get. Online things. I can do a separate video explaining the whole online process, but this is all the stuff I got from... This is all the stuff I got from Hermes Vienna. Okay. So I'll talk a little bit. All that was from online. I ordered online, picked up in store. It's a bunch of like really hard to get charms. I went to the store, never gone there before, just walked in, asked to meet with an SA, put my name on the wish list or whatever on the wait list. Ran into one of my followers. Came up to me, so sweet. Long story short, she came up to me, sweet fangirled, which was amazing, which was so sweet, which was so kind and so sweet, and then told me that I had helped her, my tips had helped her get her first Birkin. And at that store, introduced me to her SA, because I was waiting, and she was also waiting. Also gave me these coupons for her store she runs. She has a bunch of locations, free drink coupons, boba shop. The SA was like, how do you guys know each other? And she's like, I follow him on TikTok. The SA was like, what's your TikTok? Followed me. I said I do all Hermes content. I'm always worried that they don't like me doing Hermes content. Like, I feel like I'm kind of like in the doghouse, not in the doghouse, for like, you're not supposed to really film in the store, and you know, you're not supposed to like, I don't know, give you these tips and things like that. But I do enjoy sharing these things with you guys. But I feel like at some points it kind of does hurt my, like, detriments my chances of things and hurts my things. And I know I'm very fortunate, very lucky of everything I got. I've gotten a lot of things, really amazing things. But like, if I didn't do this, who knows, maybe I'd be getting a full board, you know, or like a Croc Himalayan or something. Who knows? Anyway, sometimes I worry about that. So it was nice that she was super nice about it and like didn't care. She also said I couldn't film, so who knows? I asked her a few things. She was like, come up to the VVIP room. And mind you, I was with my mom, who was like, did not want to shop at all. And she was like, why are you buying these things? Stop spending so much money. So, this and one other one. She asked me what I wanted. This was not what I wanted. It's really hard to get. Granted, I just got another one. This is a gift, but I just got this as well. So she brought out two colors. The other color was, so I went with this color. First she brought, and then she also brought these out after I'd asked if they had them, and she found them, which is really hard to get, I think. And super covered and super rare, so I feel like it did help a little bit. I got these fringe twillies in orange, which is great because most of my bags are pretty neutral, so it's a little pop of color that I can put on them to have a little fun when I want to. I even have the fringe in gold, which is also kind of neutrally. I got two, so like I can put it on the front and the back, you know? I'll show you the online orders and then we'll finish with the bag. Sorry. All of these online, again, hard to get. Basically Pegasus, and these are all gonna be like, I don't even have all of them because they're Christmas gifts and a lot of them I've already given away. This is not from online, but basically I ordered online for pickup in store. This is actually from Paris online. Oops. No, okay. The big MM in all black, super hard to get. The Framboise, I got two of these. One I've already gifted to my sister. This one is going to Andrew. The black one, also a gift I already have. Otherwise I would keep it because that one's really hard to get. This is an empty box. I don't know what's supposed to be in there. That's also from Paris. I got two of these. This one is also, although I might keep these. They're supposed to be gifts. The little rodeo with the exotic. I also got the non-exotic plain version, so maybe you'll be getting the plain one. If you know who you are, you know you want this. And then en finale. I think there were more, but do you guys really care? You don't. The Kelly that I got. It's very exciting. Very cute, I think. Very, I don't know if it's hard to get or not, but I've never been offered it before, and I don't see that many people with it. It's a newer style that they just launched maybe 2-3 years ago. I've been dying to get the old version of it, which they stopped. They discontinued. They had it, they discontinued it, and they brought it back, and then I think they discontinued it again. I'm not sure, but the old version was called the Ado. So if you know, the Kelly Ado backpack. This is the Kelly Jump backpack. So it's a little smaller, a little cuter, tiny little cute thing. How cute is it though? It's a tiny, cute little backpack. Okay, it's got a little AirPods case, and then it's a tiny bag, little, like, more just like a little day fun bag, right? It's not like practical, like those Hackados that I have. Hackado's a little more practical. This is like the men's version of that, but it's so cute. And you can take the, it's adjustable, but you can also take these out and hook them together. I think the sales associate, you could hook them together and kind of wear it like crossbody. So I'm definitely gonna try that. I don't know what we're gonna do with the extra straps though. I don't know if to like hide them somehow. We'll try it. But this is on my 2026 bucket list to use. I don't have time to use it yet right now. So many other things I have to use for, but I don't know. Anyway, I feel very lucky, very fortunate. Never skip. Vienna has like a better VAT back than any other cities, or more percent back. Online orders, you cannot get that back in Vienna, unlike Paris. Like, that's all I got. Yeah, okay, bye-bye.